Right now, the market is full of AI tools. You can find tools for voice generation, video clips, and even tools that can create complete videos automatically. But if you're searching for a website that can generate music using AI, then today's video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you one amazing AI website where you can generate songs completely for free. And even if you already know this website, this video will still be very useful because I'll also show you how to get free credits on it. So first of all, go to Suno AI and log in to your account. After logging in, click on the Create tab. Here, simply write what kind of song you want. For example, the mood, genre, or style, just like this. Then hit Create. Within a few seconds, you'll see 4 songs generated automatically. And if you want lyrics, you'll get full lyrics as well. After that, if you like any song, you can download it directly. And if you're looking for a specific type of song that's already created, you can simply search for it. For example, I just typed rock, and you can see thousands of rock songs available instantly. Now, just like I promised at the beginning, I'll show you how to get free credits. For that, simply click here and select Invite Friends. Now copy this link, and when you open it using any other Gmail account, you'll instantly receive free credits. So that's it for today's video. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. I'll keep bringing more AI tools and smart tricks like this, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.